Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about slang. Slang is a very informal language or specific word used by a particular group of people. Slang ni amagambo avugwa cyane n'agatsiko runaka k'abantu batuye nk'ahantu runaka. Nuvuga nk'amaterima abasanzwe azwi n'abantu bamwe ku buryo mu gihugu ushobora gusanga abantu bose ayo magambo batayasobanukiwe. Slang is usually spoken more than writing. Nuvuga ngo slang usanga kenshi ari amagambo akenshi avugwa ariko ugasanga adakunzwe gushirwa mu nyandiko because is informal language. Kubera ko ari amagambo ari informal. Muzwa kenshi informal ni amagambo atari polite. Atarimo cyane cyane nk'ikinyabupfura ku buryo ushobora kujya nk'ahantu hari VIP ngo ube wayakoresha. So today naguhitiyemo amagambo ari common used cyane cyane muri USA, amaslang bakoresha cyane. So uyu munsi niyo tugiye kurebera hamwe, turuze gutanga n'ingero, tunashiraho short video dutoya kugira ngo ubashe kumva ibyo barimo kuvuga usobanukirwe. So guys, ntucikwe, stay tuned. Let's get started. Ain't ubundi ni contractions ya I'm not, I'll not, don't, doesn't, won't. So mu mwanya ugira bakoreshe aya magambo ahubwo bakoresha ain't. So guys, uzumva ku bantu bakunze kureba iyi show bita Way Down Out, mu ma movies, abastar benshi usanga bakoresha ijambo ain't mu mwanya wo gukoresha aya magambo yandi yose twabonye haruguru.
Your king is here, and we ain't going nowhere. For the war has just begun.
Jeff, why don't you give me a call? I ain't gonna shoot you,
Got
man.
you. See, you thought that shit was funny. That wasn't funny,
I ain't
right?
gonna shoot you. I'm gonna give you my card.
Sweet usanzwe uzi ko ari ikintu kiryohereye, but iri jambo rikoresha urimo emphasizing that something or person are very very nice or good.
All right, Megan. Wow. Incredible job. You're so sweet. You're just a sweet little boy. And then I said, take it away. And you're like, here we go. And you gave these eyes of like, I'm about to tear up the stage. And you did.
Dude means a guy or a young man. Dude sobanuye umuhungu cyangwa se umuntu ukiri mutoya. So iri jambo rikoreshwa kenshi gashoboka kuzagenda uryumva henshi street mu ma movies n'ahandi henshi hagiye hatandukanye.
I'm a homeschool kid, so I'm with my family like 24/7. Y'all killed it. I know, we did.
Yeah, we did. We're coming for your seat, dude. Wasted.
Iri jambo rikoreshwa cyane bavuga nk'umuntu waborewe, umuntu wasinze, wanyoye inzoga cyangwa se wa smoking weed agasinda cyane, icyo gihe bavuga ko yabaye wasted.
Wasted days and wasted nights.
Come on, Chris, you're wasted. You're absolutely wasted.
Ansi nuba ni wa muntu utajya ubasha gutegereza ngo yihangane, wa muntu udashobora kugupashanta ngo ategereze yihangane. Urugero mwapanze wenda nko guhurira ahantu runaka ugasanga niba hageze ntashoboye kwihangana ngo ategereze. Abantu batabasha kwihangana nibo bita ko ari antsy. Antsy is a person who is restless.
Fight that feeling of being cooped up while you're being asked to stay home.
Hey, Jasmine, it sure doesn't take long for people to feel antsy at home, right? Let's talk about some of the things we can do.
Look, I know you're antsy. We all are, but you see, things they're about to pick up.
Hooker or hookers. Shobora kuvuga ni hooker cyangwa se hookers. So iri jambo barikoresha bavuga umuntu w'igitsina gore ucuruza sex. Mu mwanya ugira bavuge prostitute ahubwo bavuga hooker. The hooker means a female who's selling sex. So ni wa muntu ucuruza sex.
And in the winter there'd be 80 fucking hookers out there. Not like these fucking half he-she's on Santa Monica and shit. I mean hookers with big fat tits out when you would drive by, they'd pull your shirt up in the fucking winter. It was November. They were out there with bikinis on. That's a fucking hooker. You understand me? That's a hooker. That's a real hooker earning her fucking living. That's a New York hooker. Hot pants, pussy sticking out of the fucking hot pants, tits out, fucking dancing out there.
Zonked. Zonked means to be tired. To be really, really tired. Bivuga bavuga ko uri zonked cyagihe unaniwe utasinziye cyane ufite umunaniro muri wowe uwo muntu uri very, very tired no bita zonked. Muri slang bakoresha zonked mu mwanya wa tired.
Sleep for about 20 more minutes and then he's getting woken up.
He's zonked.
He's out. Say hi, Flash.
You're zonked. This means disrespect someone. Disrespect someone. Nko gusuzugura umuntu, gutuka umuntu, ibyo nibyo bita disrespect. Kubahuka umuntu mu kinyarwanda cyiza byita kubahuka umuntu. Ibyo bita kumva umuntu ngo yadisinze kanaka. Urugero hari nka story igeze kumvikana uriya Asina bavuga ngo yadisinze Riderman, indirimbo yasohoye ari kudisinga Riderman ngo fuck you Riderman. So uko niko bita this means to disrespect someone.
Here's the 411 folks. Say some gangster is dissing your fly girl. You just give him one of these.
Jeez. Why are you two dissing Troy?
Be. So iri jambo rivuga before anyone else. Be is before anyone else. Bivuga ngo iri jambo rikoreshwa ku bantu bakundana, like boyfriend, girlfriend, husband and wife. Ntabwo ushobora guhamagara iri jambo umuntu mudafitanye iyo relationship hagati yanyu mwembi, aba ubukozi kosa ubuhubutse muri make. So iri jambo rikoreshwa hagati y'abantu bakundana. Mbere bakoreshaga ijambo babe, ariko ubu ryarahindutse, hari abakirikoresha ariko ubu basigaye bakoresha be. Bisobanuye before anyone else, you were the first one. Mbese uri uwa mbere y'abandi bose.
Make it straight, you my babe. You my babe. You my babe. Ambitious, I am vicious. It's very hot on the Southern California day.
Lit is a person or things that is really exciting. Oh, nice. Bivuga ngo iri jambo lit ni slang ikunzwe gukoreshwa cyane bavuga ikintu kiri exciting. Exciting ni ikintu gishimishe cyangwa se cyiza. Bivuga ngo mbere iri jambo ryakoreshwaga basobanura umuntu uri very drunk, umuntu wasinze cyane, ariko ubu ngubu basigaye barikoresha bavuga ikintu kiri exciting, ikintu kinejeje cyangwa se gishimishije.
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now nigga getting rich. I swear every day we lit.
Yeah, every day we lit. Yeah, you can't tell me shit. Yeah, remember I was broke. Yeah, now I'm getting rich.
Knocked up. Oh, knock someone up. Bivuga ngo iri jambo rikoreshwa bari nko kuvuga umuntu watewe inda cyangwa se umuntu watwise atabyiteguye. Bivuga ngo wa muntu watwise atari byiteguye, an unexpected pregnancy, nibyo bita knocked up.
And what the song is Akon Locked Up, but I remixed it to Knocked Up because like girls 14, 15, 16 years old just getting knocked up, dude. It's not cute. But you know what? I'm gonna tell you how they feeling right now.
Knocked up means unexpected pregnancy. Ripped. So iri jambo nuvuga ngo rikoreshwa bashaka kuvuga like a strong man, umuntu ufite muscles, uri strong, kwa kundi umuntu ajyanye nka gym agaterura. So iyo umuntu amubonye umwanya avuga ati you strong, ahubwo ahita avuga ati you lip guy, you lip. So iri jambo rip bivuga ngo ubusanzwe risobanura ikintu gicitse cyangwa se gukata nk'ikintu runaka, ariko iyo muri slang babishatse tuvuga umuntu uri strong, ufite muscles, umuntu wateruye ibyuma, ufite igituza, mbese uri fit ukuntu, niwe bita ko ari ripped.
We all know that ripped guy that we hate because we don't know how they got there and how they maintain that shape. Well, I'm going to give you 10 habits on what these guys do to become ripped and stay ripped all year long. Number one,
chilling. Chill cyangwa se uzumva rimwe na rimwe bakoresheje ijambo chilling mugashiraho n gusa ubundi bagashiraho apostrophe. So nuvuga ngo iri jambo chill risobanuye to hang out, gusohoka cyangwa se to spend time with friends cyangwa se relaxing. So chilling means to hang out or spend your time with friends.
Guys should never tell a woman to chill out because they can't just chill out like a guy can.
Chill with you. We can chill together and we'll chill with those other guys.
Cool. Cool means something you like or somebody you like. Bivuga ngo iyo bavuze iri jambo cool ntabwo bavuga temperature kwa n'uwenda nk'ubukonje, no, ahubwo abashatse kuvuga ikintu cyangwa se umuntu akunze ikintu yakunze.
It's white. I think that was fake to me. And Leon, and So Cool, whatever your name is, and Royalty. I hope.
Very cool guy.
So cool.
Wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids.
Cram. Cram means learn a lot of things in a short time. Nuvuga ngo cram bisobanuye kwiga ibintu byinshi mu gihe gitoya, kwa kundi muba mufite nk'ikizamini, quiz, interrogation, so nono ukagenda ugahedeka muri iryo joro icyagihe urimo kwiga, ubwo buryo urimo gukoresha bwo kwiga ibintu byinshi mu gihe gito uri bubazwe mu gitondo nibyo bita cram. Muri slang bakoresha cram.
So, your test is coming up. You don't know what the f is going on in the class because you haven't been to class all semester. Alright, today I'm going to show you how I cram for a test and still get A's.
Which means I get to cram tomorrow for this test on Monday.
Brast. Brast means to have a good time. Brast means to have a good time. Bivuga ngo ijambo barikoresha nk'igihe mwagiye nk'ahantu runaka noneho mukagira ibihe byiza, mu mwanya wo kuvuga ati we have a good time, uvuga ati we had a blast.
Peter will be doing Snuffle Fungus. Hi. And we're gonna have a blast.
I'm gonna tell y'all what happened in Vegas. We had fun in Vegas. We had a blast in Vegas. Everybody was having a ball. We was drinking. We was laughing. We was eating. We was clowning.
Freaking. Freak is a person who not do what he says he will do. Bivuga ngo freak ni wa muntu uvuga ko ari buze gukora ikintu ariko nyuma ntaze kuza kugikora. Uwo muntu niwe bita freak. So means ni nk'umubeshyi muri make, wa muntu uvuga ndaza gukora ibi bintu cyangwa se turaza kujyana ahantu runaka byagera nyuma akaza kubeshya ntaze kuza kugira gute kubikora ngaze mujyane ahantu, mbese akabatenguha muri make, wa muntu utenguha mu gihe yemeje ko ari buze ku participa wenda nko mu kirori runaka cyangwa se yavuze ko ari buze nko kubera nka MC nyuma yaho akaza kukudekorosha nyuma ntaze, icyo gihe ababaye freaker.
And it's also very important to understand what it means when a guy flakes on you. First things first. When a guy likes you, they never flake on you. The only reason why a guy will flake on you is two reasons. Why?
As kisser. As kisser means saying good things to someone. Bivuga ngo uyu ni wa muntu ukuvuga neza cyangwa se ukuvuga ibigwi. So urugero hano.
Everybody has that one coworker that's always kissing the boss's ass.
10,000 employees kissing his ass. Yes, boss. No problem.
So as kisser means to say good things to somebody. Crash. Crash means to fall asleep. Bivuga ngo ijambo iyi slang crash isobanuye kwa kundi umva ufite nk'ibitotsi ugahita uvuga I'm crashed, to fall asleep. Cyagiye umva ufite ibitotsi ituvuga ko uri crash, ugahita ujya wenda nko kwiryamira unaniwe, icyo gihe uba wabaye iki crash, fall asleep.
Alright. Why don't you just crash here tonight? Girl, if everything is still alright, why don't you just crash here tonight?
Back. cyangwa se bucks. B-U-K-E-L. Buck is another meaning of saying a dollar. Dollar. Amadolari. Mu mwanya w'ubwira uvuge ngo amadolari cyangwa se dollars, ahubwo ukivugira buck. Iri ni ijambo rikunzwe gukoreshwa cyane cyane mu mwanya w'ubwira bavuge ngo dollars cyangwa se money, ahubwo kumva rivuge ngo buck. I got 100 bucks. Mfite amadolari 100.
I got a gift for you.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, no, seriously. No, here.
Why?
Babe, because I love you. What do you mean? I can give you $100. What?
$100 for what?
Well, you did. You want your oil change. I might as well I'll pay for that. You know what I'm saying? I do pay for things. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you. Thank you. I love you. Okay.
Buck means a dollar. Guys, aya amagambo ari common used cyane cyane muri USA. Ni amagambo akunzwe gukoreshwa cyane ku buryo kuri street movies abasitari batandukanye ushobora gusanga bayakoresha cyane. So kugira ubashe kubumva nuko ubanza kuyamenya. Iyi ni part 1, hari na part 2 nzongera guhereza. So niba wabikunze ntiwibagirwe gukanda like, share, comment, kandi ntiwibagirwe gukanda kuri ka kantu k'umutuku kari hasi, subscribe. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao. See you next time.